Good afternoon, everyone. Just another video for the 701 series today. This is my factory seat. Over here I have a brand new seat concept seat that's going to be the replacement for it. And this is the very first video that I've done. This has been the first unboxing of it. To see how this comes. Nicely bubble wrapped. I bought the complete seat, not just the re-cover. So this is their gripper top. Seat concepts. You can see the Husqvarna is vinyl. This is much more grippy. Profile, it's definitely a little wider. I'll put them side by side here. So you can see them in the same light. See, the profile on the seat concepts is wider through the midsection. It's about the same up on the top. It's gripper material all the way out the whole length of the wings. Very nice construction. Underneath they look like identical seat pans. This one's got the Seat Concepts logo in it, so it is not a Husqvarna product, unless they bought the molds from Husqvarna and added their own logo. It comes with all the rubber stops, plugs. Again, you can see the Husqvarna is more of a lime high vis yellow, whereas the Seat Concepts is a little bit more of a true yellow. Overall, lots of good staples in it. Plastic underneath the vinyl for waterproofing. Stitching is very nice. This feels like a false leather. It's got that leather kind of feel to it. Stitched on Seat Concepts logo. I'll swap them. I would do this video in my garage, however it's -12 and snowing outside right now. As for the firmness of the foam, the Seat Concepts is definitely softer foam, but not super soft. I did contact Seat Concepts. I have one of their previous older model seats for my WR250R, one of my older bikes. and I find it a bit stiff, so I contacted them about getting the softer foam, and they recommend the standard foam, as if you go too light on the foam, the seat pan is so thin you might actually feel some of the seat pan when you're sitting on it for a long period. So they recommended the standard seat for my weight, because as I ride I'm about 200 pounds full of gear. The profile's a little wider through here. It's much more flat. It's not tapered. Other than that, the seat looks to be typical Seat Concepts quality. Very nice. Nicely built. They do mention that this is not the same coloration, but as I have a 2017 and it's all white fairings on the front of the bike, this coloration on the seat compared to this coloration is not going to matter to me. The comfort is more important. And basically the only yellow that I have on the bike is around the front of the fairings that will match this. And this isn't that far off. You can see the light there. I'm trying to use as much natural light as possible. On the difference. I have had the factory seat looked at by an upholsterer as well. I was curious to see if I could remove the foam from the seat and add a gel insert into it in the midsection where I typically spend most of my time. And conclusion is that the actual seat cover is vulcanized right to the foam on the inside. And if you tried to peel the foam off the vulcanizing, you would either destroy the cover or destroy the foam. Destroying the foam is not too bad, but basically the only way to get this off that I've been told by a motorcycle seat specialist is to steam the foam off of the vinyl cover, and that destroys the top cover. And a lady that I spoke to actually removed one from another bike and showed me the result, and this cover ends up being destroyed. It gets all brittle. So I decided not to go that way. I was trying to save a few dollars. But knowing what Seat Concepts quality is like, I decided to go for it. I have not ridden it yet. Obviously, I just did the unboxing. I will let you know how I find the comfort. It does feel definitely more plush. Similar, but a little more memory foam-like compared to just standard foam. So there you have it. Unboxing. General quick look at it. I'll let you know how comfortable it is. Enjoy your day. Blake out.